Here we go. Eto na po yung air show na sinasabi nila. Ang sarap nilang ang ganda ng formation nila. They are forming different lines. Yeah.
Babalik pa yan, babalik pa.
Oh, wala. Antabayanan natin uli. Ayun. They're too high, very high.
Yun, see? Did you see that?
Ang galing.
Go up and then go down.
Yeah, ang exhibition nila.
There you go.
Their exhibition is so very awesome. Oh, they will gonna just like landing or
Oops, coming back.
they're coming back.
Circle.
Then what will gonna be the next one is they are forming a circle up and down landing. So nice. It's fantastic. It's so fantastic. Fantastic, Kevre. Oh, they form a circle.
They form like the logo for breast cancer.
Yeah, yeah.
Is gone no more, they're gone.
Oh, parang they form a triangle. They form a triangle.
That's white.
And then a little bit forming a what do you call this one? An umbrella. So fantastic.
Different, hindi nga, pero dalawa sila, magkaibang klase ng eroplano. Ay, ng jet plane.
I'm living on a jet plane. It's all it. Meanwhile,
Kung tumata po putik.